A city annihilated, its remaining people bereft. A father standing over the body of his son. An exhausted medic breaking down, unwilling to guess how many people have died in Derna. We do know that the wall of water that breached 2 dams killed many thousands in the coastal city. This man lists the 11 members of his family who died, calling it a disaster in every sense of the word. The missing are presumed dead under the rubble and mud or carried out to sea. This response team from Turkey with the grimmest of tasks, combing the shore for bodies.